Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Asynchronous Development Program. It's such a great pleasure to have you all back here. My name is Vanusa Palacio, and in this video, we'll be talking about one of our itinerários formativos, namely environmental leadership. Well, as you may already know it, our itinerários formativos are based on the BNCC, and students have the opportunity of choosing which pathway to go. If they do choose environmental leadership, that's what they will get. Well, environmental leadership is related to the sciences of nature and their technologies. Its structural hubs are entrepreneurship, scientific investigation, mediation, and social cultural intervention. The content revolves around collaborative leadership, environmental policy and economics, regenerative development and design, and what's next. The methodology applied is design thinking, and students have a total of 40 lessons a year. Well, as for the stages of the lesson, there are 6: settle in, contextualization, exposure, exploration, drawing conclusions, and wrap up. In the settle-in stage, students are offered the opportunity of getting into the mood of the lesson and getting ready for the lesson or the class itself. In the contextualization stage, students are offered the opportunity of seeing the topic and the subject matter in context. In the exposure stage, students have the opportunity of noticing the content or the subject matter at hand. In the exploration stage, students have the opportunity of experimenting with and practicing the content matter as such. In the drawing conclusion stage, students are offered the opportunity of reflecting on the topic and drawing their own conclusions on it. And in the wrap-up stage, students are given the opportunity of taking something away from the lesson and also organizing their materials and their ideas for lessons to come. Well, what can we expect in an environmental leadership course? Well, as part of the Ensino Médio, the environmental leadership itinerary is focused on exploring the area of natural sciences. Throughout the course, learners will have the chance to learn about current environmental issues and concepts and propose solutions to environmental issues by using the design thinking methodology. Design thinking is a problem-solving process which aims to find creative solutions to real-life problems. In order to reach a solution, participants must go through a 5-step process: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, feedback, and reflection. In this course, learners will go through these stages in order to produce 2 projects per year. The steps of the lessons were devised aiming at giving opportunity for learners to work collaboratively towards a common goal. The main concepts explored over the course are those of collaborative leadership, environmental policy, and economics, and regenerative development and design. By exploring these concepts and producing their own projects, learners are able to develop their critical thinking, collaborative, entrepreneurial, and scientific skills. What resources will you have available to you? There is a guideline for each lesson composed by the stages previously mentioned and slides to be used as a support in your delivery of the lesson. Alongside with that, students keep a record of their work in student booklets, which are used every class. So here is a sample of an environmental leadership lesson. Well, it's all for now. It was a pleasure meeting you again. I hope you have enjoyed our environmental leadership course and see you around. Bye.